Hi everybody, it's Pamela from Life in New Hampshire. This is my kitchen after I made dog food. It is a disaster. So I have a lot of cleaning to do, a lot of dirty dishes. But I did make a stew for supper, so I don't have to cook tonight. That night. Now everything has to go downstairs to the freezer. Oh, that's my Garmin, my body battery. It's 15, which is extremely low. Making dog food it's an all-day thing, and it's really, really hard for me, but it's something I find extremely important. I've been doing it for probably about 12 years now. I will not feed them store-bought food. Ever, ever, ever. I do it about every 2 weeks. Those are those produce green bags. They work really, really well. They make the produce last. So I had a lot of work to get done cleaning up this kitchen, and I did most of it the next day. Those bags are good bags. They're little, so I don't waste so much using the big white bags. My garbage can be full, and I take the big white bag out, and now it's half empty. I think it was Furid, the brand name. I get them on Amazon. I'm not really peeling my onions, I'm just taking the loose stuff off. Now this is like 3 days after Easter. I bought those potatoes for Easter, and 2 of them were rotten and smelled to the high heavens. Potato quality is really bad lately. You end up cutting off so much black. Food quality in general nowadays is just horrible. With fibromyalgia, you have to take a lot of breaks, but you also have to keep moving. I cannot sit still for very long. It's just too uncomfortable. I freeze up, I get really stiff, and then in a lot of pain. It's been years since I've had to sit at a desk for any length of time, and now that I'm making these videos, I have to edit them. And it's like, wow, I have to keep stopping and getting up and moving around, doing something else and coming back to it. I decided not to use music in my videos. I watch a lot of cleaning motivation videos, and I can't stand when they have the music, which they almost always do. And it's not my kind of music. You know, I'm a hairband girl. I like Def Leppard, Scorpions, that sort of thing. And you probably wouldn't want to listen to that. Sometimes I like to watch TV while I'm watching a cleaning video and just listen when they're actually talking. So I've decided I'm not using music. What are you doing? You're making so much noise. So much noise. All but one of the guineas are outside now. Just the 4 chickens and the crippled guinea is still inside. But I think I'm going to put the chickens out today. This is wicked smelly, wicked messy. I just want to clean up here. This is the next day. It takes me all day to get all those dishes done. I have a small dishwasher. You'll notice in my videos I'm always wearing shoes. Those are Keens. They're really, really good shoes. They're kind of like a cross between a sneaker and a boot. They're really comfortable, really supportive. And I just cannot walk around barefoot. It's just too painful. I cannot wear slippers. Sometimes in the summer I wear flip-flops, but not for very long. Most of the time in the summer you'll still see me wearing my Keens. I don't know if everybody with fibromyalgia has a problem with their feet, but boy, if your feet hurt, it's hard to have any energy at all. And I already don't have any energy. I have so much work that needs to be done. And I'm going to try bringing you guys along with me. But it's a slow process. I'm behind because of the way I've been feeling. That works really good on grease. If the stove is really, really dirty, the stove top, then I use soft scrub. Let it soak for a while. I'm not a big fan of stainless. It never looks good. I swear I need to buy a buffer or something to make it look good. I don't care what you use. It's a nice thing about a glass stovetop, you can use a razor blade. I'm just getting some stuff ready for Steve's lunches. I think these chips might be new, I'm not sure. We like Utz chips. These are malt vinegar, not just regular vinegar. These are just mixed nuts from Sam's. This stuff works really good. I have to use it on one of these containers because the cover wore out. Usually I buy him all kinds of nummies, you know, Swiss rolls and all kinds of, not Hostess, but another brand. But prices of everything are just out of control, so I'm going to have to start making him some little desserts for his lunch. I like to cook when I'm not tired, which is like never, but baking not so much. Never been much of a baker. I can't wait to get out and do some more stuff outside. It's been so cold. I'll take you on a tour of Dad's garden. We were going to make lots of bee videos this year, but his bees died over the winter. You might be doing a split from my brother's bees. So if he does, I'll film that and show you guys. This pretty much took me all day, and it was like the only thing I was capable of doing yesterday. I did get up at 2 o'clock in the morning. I just could not sleep anymore. So by the end of the day, I was extra tired. I was listening to a MrBallen podcast while I was doing this, but I don't think you can hear it. I always wondered why everybody wore earbuds while they were making these videos, but it must be because they're listening to stuff. Normally I just have Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. going because I'm kind of obsessed with that. But I had been outside doing something and I was listening to MrBallen, and I just wanted to continue listening when I came in. He's not making so many YouTube videos anymore. He's concentrating more on podcasts. So if you happen to see this, MrBallen, I love your stories. We're almost done. I'm so tired. My stove hood is missing because we took it down so my husband could paint it. The paint was peeling off. Ta-da! It's finally clean. It definitely needs deep cleaning though. But we'll get around to it. Please subscribe. I'd love for you to come back and watch more videos.